Hey everybody, David Cook, D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We got Gary. And we got August over there, Anthony, and the mighty Britain. So we are doing some wallpaper stripping, and you know, you never know what you're gonna get when you're stripping wallpaper. So here is just a really good visual of that. It doesn't appear when they did this that they did any kind of primer to it. You can see where it took off the drywall initial board, but that could have been the drywall itself. We don't know. Britton's been doing his part to scrape. You can see where he's been scraping the glue off there, and then literally he's just been getting it wet with hot water and it's a little bit of diff, and he's just scraping all that glue off. So he's got a nice big bucket of glue. So I don't know. They must have got a special on the glue because they were not shy on how much they used on these walls. So once this stuff dries, I'll have to let it dry overnight for sure. It's a little bit colder here now. It's, I don't know, kind of for October, it's got cold quick. So it might not dry out overnight, but we'll have to dry this out, put some primer on here. And once it gets primed, we'll have to start skims coating on here. And you can kind of see some areas where there's some drywall damage in the corners. The other side, we'll go over there. I'll let these guys go to work. See you guys later.
Yeah.
So we'll go take a look at the other one. The other one is actually definitely worse as far as mold and drywall damage.
Well, she is the property manager of the whole spot.
Da, 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 da. Ba, 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 ba. Angry homeowners. So this one they took off yesterday. They got this off really quick. 2 of them did this in 4 hours, and 4 of them been over there today. They finished wiping walls here, and then they've been over there today just scraping mud, wallpaper adhesive off the wall. So this is this one, so it's definitely not as bad. It's got some drywall damage, but not a ton. This one has more water damage. There's some in that corner, and then you got water damage there, and then that's probably the worst wall. Yeah, at first I thought the paint was peeling on, but it's just water where it got in there. They fixed the roof since, so it's just old damage, never got fixed. So we'll have to, believe it or not, it's not soft. So we put some ammonia on that to kind of kill it, and put some bleach on there to kill it. And then we got some mold away. We'll put that on there too to get rid of it. And then we'll finish priming these out again. And then once these get primed, then we'll do some drywall repairs here, start skimming coating it so it'll look better. And then we gotta get some colors. So like I said, this hallway is nice compared to the other one. The other one is a train wreck. So when people talk about how much it costs to strip wallpaper, we don't know. Sometimes it comes off easy, it's nice. This one isn't bad, but there's repairs. You can see the repairs that are on here. One over there, I mean, you're talking skim coating that whole hallway. So to give an accurate cost without seeing the walls, there's no way we can do that. So that's why we give you a kind of a ballpark. We think it's gonna take X amount of hours, and this is the cost after that per hour. So there you go on some wallpaper stripping and what we do and how we do it, and why we do it per hour. If you got questions about wallpaper removal and painting, Anthony's trying to get in here. Give us a call to D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.